Is kiln-dried wood good for furniture? When it comes to crafting high-quality furniture, the choice of wood is crucial. Kiln-dried wood stands out among the rest. Kiln-dried wood undergoes a controlled drying process in a kiln, reducing its moisture content to just 6 to 8%, ideal for indoor furniture. This process ensures stability and durability, minimizing warping, shrinking, and swelling over time. Unlike air-dried wood, kiln-dried wood offers consistent quality, making it perfect for precision in furniture making. It also takes stains and finishes more uniformly, enhancing the wood's appearance and longevity. While kiln-dried wood may be more expensive, the investment pays off with higher quality and longer-lasting furniture. Create beautiful, enduring pieces with kiln-dried wood. Subscribe to learn more.